Good morning and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle and here today to show you one of our latest listings, this 1982 Baron 58 50th Anniversary Edition, November 593 Romeo Alpha. We got a nice one for you today. Step in and let's have a closer look. As we all know, airplanes are meant to be in the sky. It doesn't do them any good to sit around and not fly. This airplane, November 593 Romeo Alpha, has 7,580 hours total time since new. Really good maintenance history. You've got 580 hours on one engine, only 97 hours on the other, and you've got 580 hours since overhaul on the two-bladed props. The Baron 58 is the natural step up for those that have been flying around in the single engine bonanza. We've got the redundancy of twin engines, you've got dual alternators, dual vacuum pumps, de-icing equipment, we'll talk about that a little bit later, and you've got the nose baggage compartment. You can see here I've got the spring thing holding our nose baggage compartment open. Very nice feature to keep the wind from blowing that shut. We can put up to 300 pounds in here. This will actually hold a lot of luggage. It will also hold the smaller type golf bags if you take the drivers out. One of the added safety benefits of upgrading to a Baron 58 is the ability to fly in all kinds of weather. You can see 593 Romeo Alpha has the de-ice boots. We also have two-bladed hot props and an alcohol windshield as well. Now that's not a known ice airplane, but it's enough to get you down and through the weather. We also have, as you can see, vortex generators. Now these help lower your VMC speed to only 74 knots indicated in this airplane. We have 166 gallons of usable fuel in this airplane. At 200 knots, that'll get you close to 1,000 nautical miles downrange. The paint on November 593 Romeo Alpha is overall in very good condition. There are a few places here and there that could use some touch-up, but this is overall tan with green and red striping and stainless steel screws and fasteners. Another benefit of the Baron 58 is the addition of the club seating and the big doors here. A lot of flexibility back here. We've got middle seats that can be turned around facing forward. We've got rear seats here that can be folded up or completely taken out. You can see all I have to do is flip this up and there's a handle that comes around and holds that in place for a lot of flexibility. The interior on November 593 Romeo Alpha is in beautiful condition. You can see I've got my executive writing desk open here. The windows are in good shape. We've got G&D tinted window inserts, side panels, headliner is beautiful. This has all been redone. We've got 6-place intercom system as well. This one has the FTC air conditioning, and we've got our own WeMax, our own lights up here. I'm very comfortable. I'm 6'2", I'm 200 pounds, and this is a great way to travel. November 593 Romeo Alpha overall has a very nice IFR platform panel. We start with the King KMA 24 audio panel, Garmin GTN 750 GPS, backup Garmin GNS 530 WAS, Garmin GDL 69 XM weather, a Perio Stratus ES with your ADS-B out. We have an Aspen 1000 Pro with altitude pre-select, KFC 200 autopilot slaved HSI system. We have a very nice JPI 830 engine monitor and a Shaden fuel flow system as well. Again, a very nice IFR platform. Extra amenities that you'll enjoy on 593 Romeo include Rosen sun visors, new style FTA air conditioning system, vortex generators, JPI engine monitor, windshield alcohol anti-ice, recent new door seals, prop unfeathering accumulators, G&D tinted window inserts, de-ice boots, spring thing, digital fuel gauges, special super soundproofing, Shaden digital fuel flow, Garmin Flight Stream 210, dual control wheels, LED landing and taxi lights, and much more. If you're in the market for a nice Baron 58, make plans to visit Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft, and come see November 593 Romeo Alpha. This is an 82 model, 50th anniversary edition. A lot to offer for the price. You've got 7,580 hours total time, 580 hours and 97 hours on the engine. So low time engines, low time props. We've got an FTC electric air conditioning. We've got some Garmin avionics, some Aspen avionics. Very nice airplane, nice useful load. Greensboro, North Carolina, Carolina Aircraft. Give us a call. I'm Brian Tuttle. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.